Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Node.js. So we are going to download Node.js, the LTS version or long-term support version. The Node.js that we are going to install are Node.js version 22. So we are going to download this. And then after you download the Node.js, you can go to the download folders and then you can uh, open the file and start to install the Node.js setup wizard. Okay, so here is the setup wizard. Wait, I'm going to start again. Click next. Then we need to accept the license agreement, and then we click next. And then we choose the installation directory. In my computer, I use program files and then Node.js. Then I click next. So this is what uh, the features that will be installed on my Node.js, which is the runtime. And then there are core pack manager, NPM package manager, and then online documentation. And then we are also adding the Node.js to path. This is important feature. So we are then going to click next. Okay, these are optional install because some NPM modules need to be compiled from C or C++. So if you are need to install such modules like Python and Visual Studio Build tools, then Node.js Setup can automatically install the necessary tools. So in this option, I will not tick this because some of the tools I already have it, like the Python and Visual Studio Build tools. But uh, if we are going to fresh install the Node.js, uh, you are likely will still not need some of these tools. So we can skip on this part and not tick the automatically install the necessary tools. And then we click next, and then we can now install the Node.js. So we are now going to wait until the installation are complete before we can start to try our installation result. Okay, so now the installation has been completed. We can click finish. And now we are gonna check is our installation is complete or is there any problem. So we are opening the PowerShell or command prompt. Then we are gonna type node dash v to see is it working. Yes, it's working. So we are now getting the version 22 of Node.js. On the side note, if we are installing Node.js, we are also installing the NPM or the Node Package Manager. So if we want to know if whether our NPM has already installed, we can type like this, yes, npm-v. So we are now getting the NPM version based on the Node.js version that we are installed. So that's it. Or maybe if you want to try some JavaScript code on command line, you can try to type node, and then we can try to type some valid JavaScript code. Like now I'm trying to make some variables. Let A, for example, I have 9, kemudian, and then I have B, I fill with 7, and then I type C, which is A plus B. Then I'm trying to type JavaScript code. Console log. I'm going to print the value of C. And then I press enter. I got 16, which is the sums of variable A and variable B. So that's it. If you want to try some JavaScript code, you can use this feature. And if you want to quit from this mode, you can press Ctrl plus C. Okay. And then you can Ctrl plus C again. Okay, that's it on how to install Node.js, and also you got NPM, Node Package Manager, and then how you can try some JavaScript code from your command line, which is something uh, revolutionary, because before you can only run JavaScript on the browsers. Thank you.